morning again, Year 6. Okay, we're on to our virtual mathematics, I would almost guess it's called, where we're going to be looking at revising multiplication. Now then, this is a revision. We have done all this multiplication before. Okay, so remember the rules as we go through them. If at any point you want to pause the video, please do. Same as you would do in class. If you've got a question, pause it, try and work it out yourself, and then as I go through the answer, check your working out and see how well you can do. We'll start off fairly straightforward of 56 times by 30. Okay. Feel free to pause it, work it out yourself, and then we'll go through the answer. First one, 0 times by 6. Okay, 0 times by the 5 tens, but it's still going to be 0. Of course, if it's multiplying by 0, it's always going to equal 0 here. On to my next step here, though, times by 3, but it's in the tens column. So I'm times by 30 here. Remember your golden rule, the 0 in the place value as a place value holder. So, straight away, I'm going to put a 0 in here before I do 3 times 6. Okay, so I've got my place value holder, but 3 times 6 is 18. So I've got that 8, so I can carry that 1. 3 times 5 is 15, add 1 is 16. Your final step would be to add these together. I'm pretty sure you don't need to do any working out to work out that that is 1,680. Okay? Second question. Let's try the next one. The second question here is 89 times by 70. 89 times by 70. Pause the video, stop it there, and have a go at that question yourself. Okay. Are you ready? Let's see what answer you've got, if it compares with mine. Straight away, I'm going to know times by 0 to start with is going to lead me to the answers here. Times by the 7, it's in the tens column, so it's 70. Remember, golden rule, the place value holder. Okay, so straight in there, that's 0, to hold it in as a 10. 7 times 9, 63. 7 times 8, okay, you should know it's 56, plus a 6 is 62. Now, add these together, and that should give you the answer of 6,230. Okay. On to question number 3. Let's have another go. Question number 3 is going to be a little bit trickier. At 497 multiplied by 23. Notice every time I'm working these out, I'm keeping them in those columns, okay, my units, my tens, my hundreds, keep them in those columns. It's really, really important. 3 times 7, 21. Okay, so 1 goes there, 2 moves up. 3 times 9 is 27, plus my 2 is 29. 3 times 4, or 400, is 12, plus 2 is indeed 14. Now then, remember, so times by 20 here, so I've got to remember that golden rule, that place holder. Let's put it into there. Now then, 2 times 7, I can work out my calculations now. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 9, 18. Plus 1 is 19. And 2 times 4 is 8. Add 1 is indeed 9. Add those together, and that will give you an answer of is 13. It's 13 again, plus my 1 is 14. And here is 11. Give me a total answer of 11,431. Okay, year 6. We're on to our final question before you can get on and do some of your own work. Now, final question. Can you work it out? Have you got them all correct so far? Can you work this one out to make it 4 out of 4? It is 139 multiplied by 47. Okay, remember, pause the video there, stop there. Can you work out that yourself. Okay then, let's go through the answers now please, year 6. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 3, 21, plus my 6 is 27. And 7 times 1, 7, plus my 2 is 9. Okay, and I'm going to add that to this next multiplication I'm going to do. Remember, I'm times them by 40 here. So the first thing I need to do is put in my golden rule, that place value holder at 0 straight away. First thing you do before you even work out any of these. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 3 is 12, plus my 3 is 15. 4 times 1, 4, plus 1 is 5. Again, my final step, add them together. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 6 is 13. 9 plus 5 is 14, plus my 1 is 15. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Giving me a total answer of 6,533. Okay. Hopefully you got that right answer as well. Now, year 6, thank you very, very much for watching. What I would like you to do now is go into your activities. There are some activities on Study Ladder, and there are some activities on Education City. I would like you to complete them both, please. Remember, I'm here if you need any help for today. I'm here. Send me a message onto Skype, Class Dojo. I'll get back to you to organise a time that I can sit down and help you with it. So, year 6, enjoy. Have a good day. Thank you very much.